Here we are at the Barrawong State Forest Walk. Beautiful day, shower of rain last night, really loved it. Really feels like a rainforest after having heavy showers of rain during the night, the moss growing on the logs. Beautiful tracks through the forest, Bangalay palms everywhere. Just follow the narrow track. This is remnant of the subtropical rainforest. It was all subtropical area until they started geoengineering. And you're going to take you up and show you the top of this big fella. And that is the Bottlebutt gum tree. This is in the bottom of a small creek flat in the middle of rainforest. Very nice. And then we come to the footprint of the big Bottlebutt tree. They put a little bit of a veil around it because it's so protect the roots from being trampled with. This is what I call an Aussie tree.
Big fella.
Now I'm going to take a look up the top. Right up we go. Yeah, blue sky day today. That is a huge, huge tree. To give you an idea, it's probably 12 metres across the circumference of that tree. It's just absolutely huge. Continue the walk through the rainforest. Okay, my wife and I are not going for a walk in the forest like this. This is a recent tree that's come down. You just have to step over it. Let me give you a hand. There we are. And you just look across here, all the palm fronds that just litter the valley, and the path comes through here over a little creek. A lovely place to go for a walk. Even though we had about 2 inches of rain, it was so dry beforehand there's not even any water in the creek. The ground so thirsty it just drank it all up.